Line up check. Transponder to standby. Sync equipment lights are on. Mixture, fuel pump. Kelowna Tower, Uniform Yankee Delta is holding short 16 at Alpha, ready to depart.
Uniform Yankee Delta Tower, wind 1605 from Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 16.
From Alpha, clear takeoff 16, Uniform Yankee Delta. Should have that one on the runway heading. There we go. Fuel and auxiliaries, mains.
Switch to mains.
Pressure green, rolling. Airspeed's alive. 60 knots. $90 knots rotate. Blue line. Positive rate confirmed once, twice. Gear up.
Kelowna Tower, India Charlie Golf at Alpha, ready for takeoff. India Charlie Golf Tower, the right turnout's approved, wind 1605 from Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 16. Clear for takeoff 16 and right turnout's approved, India Charlie Golf.
Fuel pumps.
Check.
Left. Right. Stable. Tax light off. Landing lights as required. Flaps are up. Climb power set. We'll keep this. Fuel pumps are off. Temperature pressure check. Screen.
Uniform Yankee Delta, contact Vancouver now on 1335.
1335 for Uniform Yankee Delta, thanks.
036, request climb flight level 370.
EVA 036, climb flight level 370.
Climb flight level 370, EVA 036.
Vancouver Center, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Uniform Yankee Delta, Vancouver identified and standby.
Standing by, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Alaska 9197's identified, cleared Bella Bella Airport via direct and climb flight level 240.
ATV cleared Alaska 9197 to the Bella Bella Airport direct, climb flight level 240, Alaska 9197.
Alaska 9197, roger. Alaska 9192, change to my frequency, 1322.
32.2, Pasco 9192.
Alaska 9192, roger. Port Hardy, altimeter 2988.
2988, and we've made the switch, Pasco 9192. Sure.
Jazz 183, contact Edmonton Center 1326, good day.
326, Jazz 1835.
Uniform Yankee Delta, Vancouver, go ahead.
Vancouver Center, Uniform Yankee Delta is off Kelowna, climbing through 5,200.